check, check,
Lights are taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please.
So guys, sound setup is going on. Heavy stage. A lot of Bollywood actors, a lot of people are there. Look at the stage. Monitor, replacing the monitor. Here's my setup. So, the Nektar Lx61. I programmed everything to the main stage here. So I created a patches. So when I press my number 1, I will press panana. Inga patch change. So number 2 press panra. Automatically patch into number 3 press panra. It's automatically going it. So this is something called panic. If you have a mistake, software hang the button you press it, it automatically goes into it. So this is only 8 GB but 256 SSD, and speed. This is yesterday, day before yesterday I picked up, it's working good. For now, sound card is what is it? I am using aux out in the show, but turned out to be a big there is a crowd wise pers kadiyade. This is award function mari, TikTokers, media, YouTube channel avanga the mari. So award function is going on. So it's I think yaro somebody solid display, some sound engineer and all. We are trying to sort out the sound actually. That's called DI box. DI box. From the DI box, it's coming to the aux. Aux going into my aux actually. For checking, I just connected my headphones. It's a AKG. So your number Dheeraj, he's the bassy. So this is Ishita. Ishita, say hi. She's a vocalist. She's the main star, and he's a Kanu, the
बजाता है कुछ
side star. He's an amazing guitarist. Here is our Mr. Tall Man. So unfortunately, he's very disappointed because he didn't get the drums. So he has to manage with Dr. Man.
Corded mic दिखा मेरे को. ये भी आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा दिखा.
Costume allam persa kediyadu. They wanted more of a fancy stuff. So nalla indha mari simple ah vijaya. For artist mari wearing it. Generally I wear my suit, but this time no. So sound checking is going on. Tagarada power adi tata pota alla pochu mudichondana. Bro China crush bada. China crush avoid madam. So today is the first time I'm using main stage, but it's all it's all learning process. I make sure I learn. Pakka everything is there. Just end solo on the organ solo, then the lead solo, then plucked solo, something like that. There's a lot of stuff going on here. I layered, I added a compressor. ஒரு ஸ்டுடியோல எப்படி கேட்கணுமோ அந்த மாதிரி